Hi, guys, welcome to Laser Tree channel. This is an introduction of K30 cutting effect and new features, which combines the beam of 6 individual diodes into one very powerful laser beam. Next is the measure its true optical output power. We have tested it for cutting and you can see its ultimate ability in one pass cutting. The next step is the grayscale test of the plywood. You can also use this laser module to make colored engravings on titanium by heating it to certain temperature, which causes colored oxides to form on the surface. Now test stainless steel engraving with a slower speed, 10 mm per second, 10% power. It appears very smooth blue engraving. We summarize the features of K30 as easy to use, good maintenance, and wide compatibility. The electrical connection status can be easily checked by the power and signal LED. The focus lever is designed for quick and easy focus adjustment. The red crosshair is used for precise positioning of the engraving, and the secondary cutting can be done conveniently. The output optical power stability and lifetime of laser module has strong relationship with working temperature of laser diode. K30 built in a thermistor at the highest temperature point of diode laser module. The working temperature of diode laser module can be displayed on the digital tube in real time. When the temperature is higher than 55 degrees Celsius, the module will sound an alarm. It will remind you that the current working temperature is too high and the laser head needs to stop working. You can choose to turn off the alarm or not also. In order to extend the module life and maintain the stability of the module's long working optical power, K30 adopts a double fan design to achieve good internal heat dissipation. Dirty lenses will cause a drop in performance. You can get 1 spare lenses with the kit to keep the machine running for a long time. The multi-hole sliding plate allows for mounting compatibility, and electrical compatibility with different machines can be achieved with the adapter plate.